Install the DAVV application on your camera phone. Android phones after searching DAVV from Google Play Store and installing the app. iOS phone after searching DAVV from Apple App Store and installing the app. Let's connect the DAVV Smart Cradle with the camera phone. Firstly, please connect the adapter to the power port of the DAVV Smart Cradle. Run the DAVV app on your camera phone. If you select Do Not Look Again at the bottom of the application loading screen, the loading screen will be skipped when you run the DAVV application. DAVV application initial screen. Confirm camera selection. Google or Facebook account are necessary for secure access when logging in. Select Login with Google ID. Please select a Google account which will be used on your viewer phone as well. Please allow audio recording, file access, and location information access for proper operation of DAVV app. Auto recording video and remote recording video detected by the camera will be saved to the cloud by selecting a Google Drive or Dropbox. Please select a convenient service. Please select Yes, I have for Cradle after logging in, selecting the location where saved the recording video. Connect the adapter to the DAVV360 power port. If the smart LED on the bottom of the cradle flashes, it indicates that operating is ready. Please select DAVV360. Please make sure whether camera phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi in order to send network information connecting to the cradle through the camera phone. Because DAVV360 does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, please make sure to connect to 2.4 GHz. Click the Confirm button. Please check again whether the smart LED on the bottom of the cradle flashes or not. If the LED does not flash, please remove the DAVV power cable and reconnect it. When selecting the OK button, it has converted as the input box for serial number to register the product. To enable DAVV application, you can scan QR code at the bottom of the DAVV cradle. It will be recognized by the camera automatically. If the QR code is not recognized properly, please enter the serial number correctly and press OK to enable DAVV application. If there is a smart network transformation on camera phone, please turn off the corresponding function. If corresponding function is on, depending on the model, it may not be possible to connect with DAVV360 Cradle. Please press on OK. When the DAVV Cradle serial number is confirmed, it switches to the Network Connections window. Please enter proper password of the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi in Step 1. In case that Wi-Fi password is incorrect, Cradle is off or LED does not flash. Wi-Fi password verification or Cradle status verification message will be appeared. If the corresponding message continues to appear, turn off the power supply of DAVV360 Cradle and then reconnect it. If there is a smart network transformation in the Wi-Fi setup menu, be sure to turn it off and then restart from the beginning. If the correct password is entered, it is normally connected after checking the sequence of DAVV Cradle SSID Network SSID. When the camera is properly connected, camera will be on and the orange icon flashes at the top of the screen, indicating that the camera properly communicates with the DAVV360 Cradle.